children, today's topic is find the missing number. Children, today we will learn find the missing number in addition. So here is an addition which you all can see. There is some missing block in it. What is the trick to do it? So today I will explain to you. Children, different people do it in different way, but I will explain it to you in a simple way. So all watch carefully and understand. Okay? As you know, it's both addends and answer below is sums. So the trick is that if there is a smaller number in the addend, listen carefully, if there is a smaller number in the addend and a bigger number is the answer number, then we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay? But if the answer number is small, and the addend number is big, then we will put 1 in front of answer number. You can see? Okay? That is, we will make it a big number. Then we will subtract addend's number from the bigger number. Bigger numbers means answer number. Okay? So look, I am going to do it. At the ones place, written 4. Here blank, there are nothing number here, and answer number is 5. So in this case, this number is small and answer number is big. This number is small and answer number is big. So we will subtract a smaller number from the answer number. You can see here, I am doing rough work. 5 is answer number. Okay? Minus 4 is addend's number. Okay? So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So big number is 5 and small number is 4. So big number is 5 and small number is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Then this one we will write in this box. So let's check. 4 plus 1 is 5. That is, it is correct. Okay, now let's go to the tens column. So this box is empty and the number written below is 9 and answer number is 7. So answer number is small here and addend's number is big. So I have already told you that if the answer number is small, then we will increase 1 in front of it. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now if we add 1 here, it will be 17. Okay, now this is a big number. Now this is a big number. So now we will subtract 9 from 17. This 9 addends. So write here 9. Look here, 17 minus 9 is 8. So we'll write 8 in this box. Let's check. 8 plus 9 is 17. Children, so 7 written here and we should write this carry. This carry means 1. This carry over. Okay. So here it is 1. So here it is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Added number is 4. Okay. And answer number is 7. So added number is smaller. Added number is smaller than answer number. So in this case, look here, 1 plus 3 is 4. So this 4 written here. Okay. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay. So answer will be 3. So we have to write 3 in this box. Let's check. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. So with this trick we can find the missing numbers. Clear, student? Okay. Let's take one more question. 5 0 blank 3 blank 4 5 blank. So answer 7 blank 5 9. Children, will do this question also on the same trick as I have told you. So 3 is written here. 3 is addend. So addend number is small and answer number is big. Okay. So do this question in rough work. So big number is 9 and small number is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This 6 will write in this box. Let's check. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay. It is correct. Now go to the tens column. Here is an empty box and written down 5 and answer number is 5. So here both are equal. You can see both are equal. So 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This 0 will write in this box. Okay. Now go to the hundreds column. Here written 0 and 4 down. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So in this box we will write 4. Okay. See, thousands column. Here written 5 and down this box is empty and answer number is 7. So in this case we will subtract addend number from answer number, means 7 minus 5. Seven minus 5 is 2. So this 2 will write in this box. Is that clear? Okay. Children, let's check. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 5 plus 2 is 7. It is correct. Okay. I hope you all have understand this question well. Okay children, thank you.